Hello, art teachers. This is a fun animal pattern identification game that I play with the littles when we're working on a project that has to do with pattern. This one is going to be short and simple. It's really aimed at the younger kids, but if you've got some older kids or if you're a science teacher, I do have another version that is longer and identifies each animal specifically. I'm going to go pretty quickly and I'm just going to put music behind it. So if you need to go more slowly, you can pause it or you can just see how fast that they can guess them. Before we start with the game, I just want to show you the videos that I show the kids, fun sing-along videos on animal patterns. I show these two, and these two are also good. Short, upbeat, good for the littles. Okay, now let's play What is That Creature? Now that you've seen some animal patterns, go make some animal pattern art. I have a very similar video game on my animal textures video for my kindergarten animal textures unit. And as I said, I'm going to post a longer version that actually has the names of all the animals. Like and subscribe to see my whole curriculum.